Unlocking the grip. Understanding, gripping onto holds. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that might sound a bit puzzling at first. Gripping onto holds. This phrase packs a lot of meaning and is commonly used in contexts that involve both literal and figurative grasping. Stay with us as we unravel the layers behind this expression and how you can use it effectively in your daily conversations. First, let's dissect gripping onto holds. The word gripping refers to taking and keeping a firm hold on something, often implying that the grip is tight and secure. The word holds in this context means supports or things that can be grabbed onto. So, when combined, gripping onto holds literally means holding onto something firmly. In its most literal sense, gripping onto holds is a phrase that you might encounter in activities like rock climbing or any scenario where physical grip is essential. For example, a rock climber needs to keep gripping onto holds on the climbing wall to not fall. This literal use is straightforward and relates directly to the physical action of holding onto something securely. Moving on to a more figurative application. This phrase can symbolize holding onto something non-physical, such as beliefs, ideas, or memories. For instance, someone might be gripping onto holds of the past, meaning they are holding onto their memories or old ways very tightly, perhaps too tightly for their good. Let's put our phrase into action. When using gripping onto holds in a sentence, you might say, in a literal sense, the climber was gripping onto holds carefully to ascend the steep wall. In a figurative sense, even after years, he found himself gripping onto holds of their friendship, unable to move on. Using it correctly depends on the context of your conversation, whether you're describing a physical action or a metaphorical holding on. We hope this breakdown helps clarify the phrase, gripping onto holds, and enriches your English vocabulary. Whether you're talking about a physical activity that requires a strong grip or discussing the emotional act of holding onto something intangible, this phrase can add depth to your conversations. Remember, language is a powerful tool for expression, and understanding these nuances can help you communicate more effectively. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning tips. See you in the next video.